Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, to my page. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video today guys, I'll be showing you how to make parfait from the comfort of your home. If this looks like what you're interested in, keep watching. All right, so at this point all the fruits are nicely chopped and sliced. So I'll be building all of the ingredients into these glass cups, and the first thing I'm going to add is yogurt. I want to use this opportunity to thank you guys so much for your comments, for your support, for your likes. They mean so much to me. You guys are the best. God bless you so much. So the next thing I'll be adding now is granola. And if it happens that you've not seen the video of this granola, please go and check it out. I actually post this before making this parfait. So, and also the yogurt, you really enjoy those recipes, so you can go check them out. All right, I will be adding yogurt to the granola again, and the reason is to kind of soften it a bit. I will also top with some fruits: apple, cucumber, watermelon, banana. And at this point guys, you can actually use any fruit of your choice. It mustn't necessarily be all the fruit that I use in this recipe, in this video. So I also go ahead to top the fruit with some granola again, and I also added yogurt to this. Okay, so the good thing about this part is that you can actually layer it the way you want it. Just freestyle, do you at this point, and enjoy. Okay, so if you watched this point guys and you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook page, guys, what are you waiting for? It's fun here. Click the follow button, the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends, guys. All right, thank you guys. Our parfait is ready. You can see I made this family badge. It's this big bowl, so I had enough. All right, so enjoy yourself. This is so yummy, so creamy, so delicious, so tantalizing. Oh my god, you guys are going to love it. Give yourself a special treat with this parfait and you thank me later. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will also see you in my next video. Bye for now guys.